In this video, we're going to learn how to use the intercept form of a linear equation to find the x and the y intercepts. So if you have learned anything about linear algebra, you'll know that there are several forms of equations or linear equations. First of all, there's the standard form, and that is given by ax plus by is equal to c. That is the standard form. Then there's also the slope intercept, the one where you have y is equal to mx plus c. We call that the slope intercept form. Then there's a third one, the one that is called the point slope form. So the point slope form has y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. We call this the point slope form. So the fourth one is the one we call the intercept form. So the intercept form is given by x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. So this is the one that we are going to apply. It is called the intercept form. The intercept form. So it is the one that you want to employ to obtain the x and the y intercept. So let us look at a sample equation that we want to find its y and x intercepts. So let's say we have the equation 5x plus 4y is equal to 20. So remember, for the intercept form to be useful in finding the x and the y intercept, this must be equal to 1. So it means our first task would be to divide everything by 20. So we divide every term by 20 so that 5 goes here once, it goes there 4 times, 4 goes here once, it goes here 5 times, and 20 here once, 20 here once. So it means the new equation that we have is 1 times x, that is just x over 4 plus 1 times y, that is y, and it is over 5, is equal to 1. So remember, according to the intercept form of an equation like this, it is written as x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. You can get the intercepts as follows. You will find a is actually the x intercept, and b is the y intercept. So according to this, it therefore means that our x intercept is equal to 4, which is a in this case, and our y intercept is equal to 5. So that is how you can use the intercept form of an equation to find the x and the y intercept. So you can always check if this is true by solving this manually. So the original equation was 5x plus 4y is equal to 20. So if we are to do this manually, for us to get the y-intercept, we'll take that x is equal to 0, so that wherever there is x, we put 0. So it means we're left with 4y is equal to 20. You divide both sides by 4, and you find that y is equal to 5. And as you can see, that is what we found for the y-intercept. And if you want to obtain the x-intercept, then you will equate y to 0. So when y is 0, you're going to have the equation as 5x is equal to 20. Divide both sides by 5. Then you find that x is equal to 4. And that is what we have for the x-intercept. So it means this method actually works.